Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to post new job update on LinkedIn using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for LinkedIn. Okay. And now click on the first link. Then just go ahead and log in your account. Okay. So now, once you've logged in your account, you want to click on your LinkedIn profile picture at the upper part of your screen. Click on it and click on View Profile. And here you can see the Add Profile section. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you want to click on the Core section. Okay. And click on Add Position. And here just go ahead and fill up this form, okay? So you need to make sure that you checked on this box. The I am currently working in this role, right? So now you need to type on title, employment type, company name, location, location type, start date, the end date, if you know when is the end date of your work, the industry, description, profile headline, your skills, media, and here at the upper part of your screen, the Notify Network. Turn on to notify your network of key profile changes, such as new job and work anniversaries. Updates can take up to 2 hours. Okay, so if you want that, just go ahead and toggle this switch on. Okay. So after you put all of your informations right here, just go ahead and click on save. Okay. And that should save on your profile on LinkedIn. And that is how you post your job update on LinkedIn. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.